Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best toilet handle is probably one of the most overlooked components in your bathroom, but trust me, a good one can make a world of difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of toilet handles, specifically the side mount variety. We'll explore what makes a great handle, the features to look for, and how to choose the perfect one for your throne room. Get ready to upgrade your flush game. Number 5. Qualihome Chrome Toilet Flush Lever, Side Mount. Tired of your old toilet lever? This Qualihome lever is a stylish upgrade. It will give your bathroom a fresh new look. Featuring a sleek chrome finish, this lever adds a modern touch. The design complements any bathroom decor. Designed to fit most side-mount toilets, installation is easy. It comes with everything you need for a quick replacement. Installation is simple. Just remove the old lever, insert the new one, and attach the lock nut. Remember the reverse thread. Made with durable materials, this lever is built to last. It includes a metal nut and rubber washer for a secure fit. Please note that the lock nuts have a reverse thread. Don't over-tighten it. Enjoy your new toilet lever. What we like. This lever features a sleek chrome finish, instantly upgrading your bathroom's aesthetic. It's designed for a universal fit, making installation a breeze on most side-mount toilets. If you're looking for a quick and stylish upgrade, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Product is nice looking as well as functional. Installation was incredibly simple and took me less than 5 minutes from start to finish. The flushing action is so much smoother and more powerful than the original handle ever was. Number 4. Qualihome Brushed Nickel Toilet Handle. This Qualihome toilet handle replacement adds a stylish touch to your bathroom. It features a sleek brushed nickel finish, instantly upgrading the look and feel. Designed to fit most side-mount toilets, this handle offers a universal fit. The durable construction ensures it will last for years to come. Installing this handle is simple and straightforward. Just remove the old lever, insert the new one, and attach the lock nut. Remember the reverse threads. First, remove the chain or strap from your existing flush lever. Then, remove the old flush lever. Remember, the threads loosen in the opposite direction. Insert the new flush lever into the toilet tank. Attach the lock nut and tighten it, but don't over-tighten. Remember the reverse threads. Finally, attach the chain or strap of the toilet flapper ball to the new flush lever. Adjust as needed to ensure proper flushing. What we like. This lever offers a sophisticated satin nickel finish, adding a touch of elegance to your bathroom. Its universal design ensures compatibility with most side-mount toilets, and it's built to last. If you appreciate a modern look and reliable performance, you should consider this one. What people say. Product is nice looking as well as functional. Installation was incredibly simple and took me less than 5 minutes from start to finish. The flushing action is so much smoother and more powerful than the original handle ever was. Number 3. OULII Side Mount Toilet Handle Replacement. This is the OULII toilet handle replacement. It's designed for side mount installation, making it suitable for most toilet tanks. The handle comes in a silver golden color and is made of zinc alloy. This will add a touch of elegance to your bathroom. The wrench width is about 8 cm, and the lever length is about 21 cm. It's the perfect size for easy use. This handle is designed to make your life perfect and convenient. Please note that it does not include installation instructions, so make sure you can install it before ordering. Upgrade your bathroom with this stylish and functional toilet handle. It's a simple change that can make a big difference. What we like. This lever is crafted from durable zinc alloy, ensuring longevity. Its side mount design is suitable for most toilet tanks, and it will give your bathroom a perfect and convenient look. If you want to add a touch of style to your bathroom, this is a great option. What people say. Fits my TOTO Ultramax 2 toilet perfectly, works great. This looks just as good, actually better, since it's chrome instead of white, as the original flush handle. It has a brass flush arm, I made up that word but you know the piece, that seems sturdy, and the whole thing just works, no muss no fuss. Number 2. KOHLER GP30324 CP Polished Chrome Trip Lever. When you need to repair your KOHLER product, always choose genuine KOHLER parts. This ensures the quality and longevity of your product. Look for the KOHLER Genuine Parts logo. This is a well-worth classic trip lever, designed for toilets with flappers. It's a reliable replacement part to keep your toilet functioning properly. This lever is easy to install. The package includes the arm and nut, providing everything you need for installation. This makes it a convenient and complete solution. You won't need to search for extra parts. KOHLER finishes are built to resist corrosion and tarnish. This means the product will maintain its appearance over time. It's designed for long-lasting use. This trip lever features a polished chrome finish. It adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. It's a left-hand trip lever. What we like. This is a genuine KOHLER part, guaranteeing quality and compatibility. The polished chrome finish adds a touch of sophistication, and it's designed to resist corrosion and tarnish. If you own a KOHLER toilet and want a reliable, long-lasting replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to install. Works great. The side mount is a great design. Number 1. Jmkcoz TOTO Toilet Flush Lever Handle. This modern metal lever adds a stylish touch to your bathroom. It's designed to enhance the look and functionality of your toilet. The handle features a copper finish and a metal lock nut. This construction ensures it's strong, durable, and built for long-term use. This side-mount toilet lever handle is easy to install and suitable for TOTO toilet tanks. Please note that there is no install instruction. Please make sure you can install it before order for a smooth flush. It's suitable for square mounting holes and can be installed on the front, side, or at an angle. The arm can be bent or cut as needed to fit your toilet. The flush lever lock nuts have a reversed screw thread to prevent loosening. This ensures a quick and reliable installation, making it perfect for any home. What we like. This lever features a sturdy copper lever and metal lock nut for enhanced durability. The robust construction ensures it can withstand daily use. If you are looking for a long-lasting and reliable toilet handle, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to install. Works perfectly. Good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.